So now let's look at how the structure of a C file or C code looks like. To begin, we have to write a statement. It is fundamental you write this statement before you create a C or you continue to code in C. And that is this statement. So what does this statement actually, what does this mean? Include stdio.h. So stdio.h and these are actually what we call preprocessor derivatives. They contain the stuff you want to use to code your program. And we'll be looking at more preprocessor derivatives like stdlib, print, sorry, not print, string, file, and so on. But this is the basic. And using the include keyword, we can actually, get everything from this preprocessor. And now what we're going to do is that we need somewhere to write the code and run the code, right? And this is actually what I'm going to touch on. And we write this int main, and we open a flower braces, and this actually here we will write our code. So what does this actually mean, this int main? Well, I'll touch on int later, but let me just cover the main very quickly. So main is something we will even study later on in the course in depth, which is called a function. Now when you run the code, this the compiler or your code will actually look for the main function. They'll actually start looking for the main function. All code runs from the main function, and so this is the first function that will run, and that's why we will put every code we write in this function. And this is fundamental in a C program.